Hi everyone, I am Sourav and welcome onto our YouTube channel Tech Sourav. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download Netflix app onto your Android phone. So without any delay, let's start our today's video. But before starting this video, if you never subscribe our channel yet, subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification on all for the latest update from our channel. So without any delay, let's start our today's video. So friends, I have Redmi Note 8 Pro. In my phone, I have Android 11 OS. That is the latest OS of Android systems. But when I go to Google Play Store and search for Netflix, I didn't get Netflix app on Google Play Store. I also tried to download Netflix app by changing my account's country. Now I will show you the exact and working method to download Netflix app on Android. If you are facing same problem as I am facing, you have to follow all these steps that I am doing. First, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and search for Netflix download APK as I did on Google. Here you can see we get Google Play link for Netflix. But when I open that link, I got that error message that says your device is not compatible with this version. So now come on Google Chrome and you have to click on first option Netflix for Android on apkpure.com. You have to download that APK from that website and install onto your device. Maybe you will get that type of message when you are going to download that APK here. You have to simply click on OK and download it. After download that APK, you have to simply install it onto your device. If you get any unknown sources messages, you have to simply open settings and enable install from unknown sources. After installation, you have to simply open Netflix app and here you can see Netflix app is successfully installed into our Android phone. Now you have to log in with your Netflix account and enjoy that app. So that's enough for our today's video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.